record facility name, location, inspection date, inspector name, boiler type, model, serial number, and operating hours. Check for visible leaks or damage, ensure gauges operate correctly, and inspect burner flame color and consistency. Verify water levels, test low water cutoff devices, check boiler pressure, ensure pressure relief valves function, record water temperature, and inspect fuel levels and lines. Inspect the burner for cleanliness and proper operation. Check for soot or debris buildup that could affect efficiency and safety. Ensure proper ventilation in the boiler room. Perform blowdown to remove sediment and impurities from the boiler. Test the pressure relief valve manually. Check the combustion air intake to ensure it's unobstructed. Test water for pH levels and chemical concentrations. Verify that all control systems, including the thermostat, are working properly. Inspect feed water, blowdown, and other valves for proper operation. Document any issues found and schedule repairs as needed. Shut down the boiler and allow cooling for full inspection. Examine the interior for scale buildup or damage. Inspect all electrical connections for loose wires or corrosion. Examine gaskets on all doors and covers. Calibrate pressure and temperature gauges for accuracy. Check for scaling or blockages. Ensure proper airflow and no buildup. Verify or replace safety valves as needed. Disassemble and clean the boiler completely. Test and replace worn parts and ensure all safety systems are certified and functioning properly. Record all maintenance tasks performed. Document parts replaced, adjustments made, and corrective actions taken. Monitor fuel consumption and efficiency. Track changes in boiler performance over time. Ensure boiler inspection certificates remain current. Attach relevant documents, certifications, and reports to the inspection log for easy access during audits. Note any issues found during inspection. Assign corrective actions with specific due dates. Record all corrective actions taken. Implementing this checklist in eAuditor creates a streamlined, paperless process. Improves safety, efficiency, and longevity of the boiler system while ensuring regulatory compliance.